Hey guys, welcome back. So I wanted to come and show you this card that I made using April's Mermaid collection. And she's on Etsy. And look how gorgeous are these mermaids. And there's a lot of sheets I did not print. I only printed this one. But look how pretty. They are so cute. So I used a few of the mermaids. I also used this die from KSCRAFT. It kind of made, it kind of looked kind of mermaid-ish. And then I also used this one from my stash. And I created this fun card. Isn't she beautiful? Look how cute. I added a little pearl on her little seashell. These are I cut the die, so I put like Little Mermaid. I guess her little body scattered all over the place. And look, but guess what? This card is one of those fancy faux peekaboo cards. Watch. Look at that. You see her? She is like swimming. She's doing her own thing, girl. And she's just like peekaboo. Look, she's adorable. I love her. So yeah, this was a fun card to make. And again, the tutorial for this one is, of course, Mix of Crafts. Sam, you gotta love her. So I'm gonna put the link to that tutorial in the description bar. Pass by and you can make anything you want. I think hers was like a Christmas card, so she put like Santa Claus peeking. So I made mine's Mermaid using April's designs on Etsy. So I'm gonna put the link to her Etsy shop and pass by because there's a special right now going on. You don't want to miss it. These mermaids are adorable. And I don't know if you can see, but I put shine all over them. Can you? Kind of. But yeah, this was my card, little project share using April's Mermaid. And I hope you guys like it. Let me know what you guys think. And pass by April. I'm going to also put her Instagram in the description bar. Pass by and tell her what you think. All right, guys. Talk to you later. Bye.